Hi everybody, this is the tutorial for Twiggy. My name's Billy from Piano and Pies. Let's get stuck straight in. We're in standard tuning for this song, and the introduction has 3 chords to play. The first chord that we have is an F major 7 sharp 11, which is basically an F major bar chord, but we're not going to actually bar this finger. So we have fret 1 on the E string, 3, 3 on the A and D, we've got 2 on the B, and then the B and the E strings are going to be open. Sounds very mysterious, a bit clashy, sounds great. And what's going to happen is we play that for a bar. I tell a lie, for the introduction we're playing that for 2 bars. And we're going to gently play with that. And I'm just very lightly playing those higher pitched strings. We don't want too much of that clashy sound, that's where that's coming from. We want more of the lower strings. So when the first verse starts, that's when the vocal part comes in, we start off with that F major 7 sharp 11 chord. For now I'm just going to call it the F chord. And what happens is we play that for a full bar. We then have a C major 7 chord, which is 3 on the A, 2 on the D, and open strings below it. But we only play that for 2 counts. 1, 2. Because then what we do is take away that finger, keep this finger here, and we have this chord here, which is an A7 sus2 chord. And that fills out the last 2 beats of the bar. So putting that together, we get... And if we were to loop that round 4 times in a row, you get the first verse. In fact, straight after that first verse, there's a second verse where we take the same chords and loop them round a further 4 times. We then get to the chorus, where there's a lot of new chords and we have a new strumming pattern. So just before I show you that, if you're interested in getting that chord chart with all the different sections and all the different chords within those sections, as well as another sheet of the chords and lyrics matched up, let's say you're singing or playing along and you need to know which chord and which lyric go together, head on over to Patreon. I've got you covered. For the price of a coffee, you get access to not only this song, but well over 800 songs of all the latest releases over the past couple of years. So feel free to check that out, but let's delve in with the chorus, which starts off with a full F major bar chord. Not the same as the chord that we had earlier. So that is the same shape, but we're not going to bar the fret 1 on all 6 strings. We play that chord for a bar. Down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. And then we take that and play it with an A minor chord. That's another new chord for this song, which is an open A. 2, 2 on the D and G, 1 on the B, and an open E. It then has another bar of F major. Before we have a bar of some quick changes. There's a C major chord, A minor, G. So C major is a new chord for us. It's just like the C major 7 we had earlier, but we include this finger on fret 1 of the B string. So we have 2 beats of C, 1, 2, A minor, G. And G major is another new chord for us. There's a ton of new chords in this song. We have 3 on the E, 2 on the A, 0, 0, 0, and then 3 on the high E. You can play fret 3 on the B string, if you'd like. It is just 2 different voicings of the same chord. So let's play this first half of the chorus. F. And then what happens is we have kind of a repeat, kind of not. We have F major, then a quick change of A minor to G, and then 1 bar of F, a second bar, then a 3rd bar, and then on the 4th, sustain. All I mean by sustain, play it once, let it ring out. At this point, we start to get a little bit of repetition. We have a 3rd verse, that's where we go back to our usual chords from the verse 4 times round again. We then have a chorus, and this chorus blends into the bridge section. So I'm going to play through it because there's a bit of a difference between the parts that we've already known and this new part. So this chorus starts off in the usual way with F major to A minor. Then back to F, C to A minor and G. We then have the F, A minor to G. Now in the previous chorus, we then had 4 lots of F major. At this point, we're jumping to the bridge section, which is 2 bars of F. There's 1. There's 2. We then have E minor and G. Now E minor, there's another new chord for us. We have an open E, 2, 2 on the A and D, and 0 on the remaining. So that bridge is 2 bars of F, 1 of E minor, 1 of G. Play all of that 4 times round. There's then an instrumental where we go back to the verse chords 4 times round, and then an outro where we continue the verse chords. There's a few vocal parts that are different, but we keep playing the same thing to get to the end. So there we go, that's everything you need to get through this song. If you found it useful, please do like and subscribe, which really helps out the channel, and consider getting the extra material as well over on Patreon. In fact, I want to say a quick thank you to the people floating by on the screen. Those folks are my active patrons. There's well over 115 of us at the moment, so when this video goes live, they'll get access to that content immediately. So thanks to them for their support. Thanks to you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.